I remember once I was at a grocery store shopping for our family of 4. I had a huge basket of groceries, of course, filled to the brim. And I looked behind me and there was an older gentleman. He just had his half a gallon of milk and his carton of eggs. And I looked back and I said, "Oh, sir, do you want to go in front of me?" Just gestured him to go in front of me. He got to the checkout clerk and he thanked me. And he said to the checkout clerk, "Did you see what she just did? That's the nicest thing that's happened to me today." And all I could think was, what kind of a day was he having if that little simple action that I did, that any of you might do, was the nicest thing that happened to him that day? We have all weathered a global pandemic. Anyone you meet anywhere right now is probably holding some serious weight right now, some serious trauma, right? It could be any person, any age, any gender, any religion. So that little simple act of kindness that you do could absolutely make a difference for someone else. The ripple effect. We never know how our action might ripple out to someone else, right? And sometimes you will never know, but let me assure you, in the stories I've heard, in the audiences that I've spoken to, there is often an incredible ripple beyond the patient, beyond the family, beyond the hospital, the community, wherever it is, there could be so many impacts that happen. So trust me that there's often a ripple effect.